Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Today is day 3 of the Christmas Advent Calendar that I've been opening. It's the W7 Beauty Blast Reloaded. And so far, let me show you the 2 products I've gotten so far. Hang on a second. Let's see. So far, I've gotten a pair of tweezers. I think that was day 1. And day 2, I got like a little lipstick. It's very nice. It's a nude color. It has a sweet smell to it. I like what I've gotten so far. I can't complain. It's not bad for a $30 box that I got. I got it from Amazon. And here's number 3 right here. It looks like the outline of it's kind of like a square, so maybe it'd be pretty big, or maybe a good item. We'll have to see. Be right back. These are all kind of mixed in together. I'm gonna grab the first one I see. Let's see here. And I got a mascara. It's Absolute Lashes mascara. And I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to go bad. I have a lot of mascaras, but that's pretty nice. I don't think it was the product it was supposed to be, but mascara, you can't complain. I'll have to see how it works. The packaging seems very nice looking. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye. See you the next time.